Alpla is a leading global manufacturer and distributor of plastic packaging solutions. The multinational company transfers nearly 1 million pallets a year from production to its warehouse via an automated conveyor system developed by Mecalux.
In Golborne, we make bottles, we make caps, and we make the preforms, which are converted into bottles. We supply many multinationals, such as Coca-Cola, Britvic, Nestle, Heinz, and PZ Cousins.
At the Alpla Center, the production plant and warehouse are 230 feet apart, with a public road running between them. This layout previously required trucks to transport goods manually between the two buildings.
We were doing approximately between 14 and 1,500 shunts between the factory and the warehouse. So a lot more forklift trough movements. So you can appreciate, 24/7 process, 24/7, logistics operation. Many people moving from the factory into trailers, and then trailers over to the warehouse. And effectively, that was the main logistical problems that we had.
Alpla decided to implement an automated solution to optimize internal transport between the production and warehouse buildings. Its objectives were to reduce material handling costs and improve operational efficiency.
Well, we looked at many solutions, and we believe that the best solution was the solution presented by Mecalux, and that was to put in a high elevated bridge system, an elevation system. So basically, we transfer the pallets from the factory. So we make the product, we wrap the pallets, then we transfer them over to the warehouse, effectively removing all the shunts.
Mecalux installed a pallet conveyor system inside an enclosed elevated bridge crossing the public road to connect the production plant with the warehouse. This raised tunnel is equipped with a double 476-foot conveyor line and 7 automated elevators. In the production facility, automated guided vehicles deposit pallets at 2 infeed stations. From there, elevators overcome the height difference and transfer the pallets to the elevated tunnel, where the conveyor then moves them to the warehouse. The entire journey is completed in no more than 20 minutes, optimizing Alpla's logistics operations with speed, efficiency, and productivity.
The efficiency has allowed us to grow. We've increased our loads to 70 loads per day. So we could reduce our trailers on site. So by reducing our trailers on site, we could then increase that by delivering more loads to our customers over a 24/7 basis.
Automating these processes has also had a positive impact beyond logistics, lowering carbon dioxide emissions linked to truck use.
Significant cost savings. So there was a significant financial reduction in the payback was less than 3 years on the investment. There was also environmental benefits. So our carbon footprint, we saved or reduced our carbon footprint by 10 tons per year. So there was not just financial, there was also environmental benefits.
With the automated solution designed and implemented by Mecalux, Alpla now ensures faster, safer, and more efficient service for its clients.
Very good. We had that was really key to the project, that we had a good partner, a partner who understood our business. It was a challenging project, a very challenging project and complex project, but it went very smoothly. There was a great project team on site from Mecalux, and then the after support was also excellent as well. So yeah, excellent partner for the business.